see one of the old fat Potbanks in Stoke, where Mr. Taylor used to work, was Spode, reused and reimagined for a different purpose. So I'll give you a quick pan round. Where we are actually was the production floor. Was it the production floor?
This factory floor,
Yeah.
actually the casting.
So you used to do the casting and things Mr. Taylor says. But obviously looking at it now, you couldn't imagine that that's
From memory,
what it was for. Hang on.
from memory, they'd have benches here with moulds on, and they cast them, and then towards the back, which is further on, that's where the massive kilns used to be. I think just through these doors here, which I'm trying to get through, we're taking into basically the courtyard, which is then where all the offices were, IT, etc.
There you go. That'll mean nothing to you if you didn't work at Spode. So nothing to most of our people watching this video. But yeah, used to be an old pottery factory floor.
We're at the Potbank, which used to be at the Spode Factory, and we're just seeing what it's going to be like. Nice setting. Where I am standing used to be the factory floor, so this is where they used to cast the Spode products through moulds, and further down will be where the massive kilns used to be, and then just through this wall over here was where you would walk into the courtyard, and then you'll come into all the offices like HR, etc. So Spode, obviously exceptionally well known, but unfortunately no longer produced here in Stoke itself. The reason why I know a little bit about Spode is because I used to work here, and so it's interesting just to see what they've done. Anyway, we're here for a Halloween night, and we'll let you know how it goes on. So far, there are quite a few people dressed up, which is great. We have our Disney t-shirts on, and that's about as far as we've gone. But obviously, I mean, I can see witches. I can see something like a Pudsey, but I think it's supposed to be Tigger. And then there's the mask, and sitting next to the mask, we got, I presume, Jessica Rabbit. I'm sitting next to Jessica Rabbit at the moment, and I have asked this so that you just don't think I'm making it up. We've actually got Jimmy Savile. So Jimmy Savile, the mask, Jessica Rabbit, and a witch are all sitting at the same table. Anyway, we're here at the Potbank over in old Spode Factory in Stoke-on-Trent, and we'll give you an update a bit later.
Just back again, because I forgot to say, bit of a claim to fame. The Spode Factory used to be owned by our next door neighbour. Get us, how bougie are we? So our next door neighbour was a lady called Mrs. Copeland, and her family used to own the entire Spode Factory.
Has Jack's had a drink with pint? Has had a...
The band's playing right next to us.
We're not sure that Halloween night with the Matrix Live Band, and it's just
Matrix, Club Matrix.
and it's just finishing now. So what are we doing? Well, what do we think of it? Good. Yeah. So if you're around, you get to the Potbank over here. Go to the Potbank. This is the Spode Factory. Definitely worth a visit. Really nice atmosphere. No pleasant, no hassle, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it like we have tonight.
Oh, there you go. We should do it now.
Say again?
We should do it now while it's quiet.
Oh, what, this video? Anyway, some great costumes tonight. Some very interesting famous characters turned up at the Halloween place here. Overall, a good night.
Too many masks.
Too many masks.
I don't like masks.
And it was more disappointing to see that the masks were being taken off the drink. There was one demon bloke, wasn't there? And that demon bloke, he was looking awesome. We had to put his mask off to actually drink, so not so good. I was waiting for some comment there from Mrs. D. No comment. Anyway, it's nearly finished yet, so we just thought we'd give you a quick update, so we're done. And we still got our Mickey t-shirts, Mickey and Minnie on. And we'll see you soon.